Dan, given your status as one of the original fintech disruptors, what trends enabled PayPal to be launched now 15 to 20 years ago, and what is enabling the continuing growth from here?
No. I think there are two meta trends that are inexorable and just continuing to accelerate. First is that currencies of all kind are digitizing. Checks are disappearing, although 85% of the world's transactions are still in cash. They're increasingly digitizing. And so you've got money in general digitizing. And whether that be in the form of cards, they will digitize, or actually currency itself will start to digitize as well. So you're seeing that happening. But all of that is enabled really by the explosion of mobile into the marketplace. You probably have 80% penetration of mobile right now in the world's population. Next 5 years, call it about 90%. And there are two trends that happen with mobile. One, for consumers, is you have all the power of a bank branch in the palm of your hand right now. And so basic consumer financial transactions can be done quickly. You don't need to stand in line to make the transaction. You can do it immediately. They're simple and easy to understand. They're more secure than money. There's a lot of leakage in money. And finally, they're much less expensive. The digital world can be 80 to 90% less expensive to serve a customer than through traditional bank branches. And so you're going to have an explosion of kind of platforms that manage and move money for consumers. On the retail side, retail is going through a fundamental transformation due to mobile as well. There used to be distinct worlds of online and offline. Mobile is blurring the distinction between online and offline. If you make a purchase using your mobile phone and pick it up in store, is that mobile or online, or is that offline? It's actually a combination. It's just commerce. And more retailers are now taking a look at what Amazon and others are doing and thinking, how do I compete? How do I use the mobile phone to get closer, to become more intimate with my customer? And digital payments is a key driver of that, integrating rewards as a currency type, it's that kind of thing. So those trends, those secular trends, are driving growth through all regions of 20% plus easily throughout the world. And we only see those continuing to accelerate.